Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. We're going to do this video really quickly, and we are doing a 5-pack from several years ago. Let's see, copyrighted 2014, so either this was a 2014 or 15 release. So I'm going to pause the video real quick and open these up. I wasn't sure if I already had this pack or not, but I wanted to help my store move products around, so I purchased some stuff. Usually, if there are products sitting in the store for quite some time, I usually purchase them, even if I have no intention of using them. But this 5-pack actually will come in handy for the city of Matchbox. But here we go. Here is a copyrighted 2014 Humvee, the year that they made the changes. This used to open up, but since 2014, it does not. Swamp Raider, awesome little truck here. This one also has had some changes recently. There we go. This is the Oshkosh MATV. Lovely casting. These military trucks these last few years are looking great. Next we have a Jeep Willie. There we go. This is a lovely casting itself too. Pretty cool. And last is the Mission Helicopter. This back end extends. There we go. Very nice helicopter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your day.